Hello and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make a feather wristlet and anklet. It's really pretty simple. Items needed are feather boa, scissor, Bonnie craft cord 4mm, a lighter, and glue gun. First step is to cut 4 pieces of Bonnie craft cord, about 5 inches each. Then take the lighter and burn the ends. And this is a step that you have to be careful. Burn the ends, and then I pinch. And what that does is prevent the Bonnie craft cord from unraveling. Repeat the same process for the other side. Once you're done with burning the ends, the next step is to cut the extra threading on the feather boa. Then measure the wrist of the person who will be wearing it, leaving an inch or 2 of space to tie the wristlet or the vesa. Cut the excess and place it aside. Then take the feather boa again and measure the wrist once again, making sure to leave an inch or 2 so that you're able to tie the wristlet later on. Take the cut feather boa on one end and apply glue on top of the thread. Then place the Bonnie craft cord over it. Give it a few seconds to cool down. Pinch and hold. And then usually I use the feathers to cover the cord and prevent my fingers from touching the glue. Pinch and hold. And now I'm ready to repeat the same process for the opposite side. Apply glue on top of the thread. Place the Bonnie craft cord over it and give it a few seconds to cool down. And cover the cord with the feathers around it to prevent my fingers from coming in contact with the hot glue. Pinch and hold, making sure that everything adheres together. Put it aside, and I'm going to repeat the same process for the anklet as well. And that is how you make a feather wristlet and anklet.